For complete coverage, you will need to remove all jewelry at this time. Tanning caps are provided to keep your hair clean. Just place the cap on your head, leaving your ears and hairline exposed. Now, apply a light coat of blending cream to the top, sides, heels of your feet, in between the toes, and on your toenails. Do not apply cream to the bottoms of your feet. Next, apply a thin layer of blending cream over your entire hand, but do not go beyond your wrist. Apply another application to your cuticles and nails. The FDA recommends wearing eyewear, lip balm, nose filters, and protective undergarments during your spray tanning session. When your pre-tan regimen is complete, enter the booth and securely close the door behind you. Now, hold your hand in front of the start sensor to begin your sunless tanning session. Place your left foot on 1 and your right foot on 3. Raise your elbows slightly, creating a small gap underneath your arms. Then turn right when directed and stand in the second position with your left foot on 2 and your right foot on 4. The third position is left foot on 3 and right foot on 1. And the fourth and final position is left foot on 4 and right foot on 2. When the final spray stops, remain standing in the same numbered position during the warm air drying feature. When your application is completely dry, your session is finished. Now exit the booth. Please remove the eyewear, nose filters, hair cover, and if used, wipe off any barrier cream before redressing. Be sure to wait at least 4 to 6 hours before showering or participating in any aquatic activity. Thank you for choosing Mystic Tan.